The stunning complexity of nature has captivated every human society since the dawn of our evolution. And this is not a coincidence. We've depended on these ecosystems for everything that we have ever needed. But this great strength is also our greatest weakness. If we are going to build a nature-positive economy, where people and nature can thrive together, then we have to value the holistic complexity of nature, even more than its individual parts. These tend to be the parts we use for food, or timber, or textiles, or medicines, but when we place value on those parts, we then propagate them in vast monocultures that come at the expense of the rest of biodiversity. And this underpins threats like biodiversity loss, climate change, and global pandemics that now threaten our entire society. But there is hope. A growing awareness recognizes the need to value the holistic complexity of nature over its individual parts. But if we're going to do that, we're going to have to measure the holistic complexity of nature. In that respect, the development of Seed Biocomplexity Index represents a massive step change in our understanding of nature. This will revolutionize our understanding of biodiversity, because the scientists at Seed have combined thousands of data sets about the genetic, species and ecosystem characteristics that build up the complexity of our natural world. Now, for the first time ever, everyone everywhere can measure the intactness of biodiversity at every location on the planet, forming the foundations of a truly equitable environmental movement. Now that we can measure the intactness of biodiversity across our planet, financial and political mechanisms have the potential to drive wealth towards the local land stewards, the farmers, indigenous populations and local communities who are the stewards of nature across our globe. And it's only through this that we'll be able to build a nature-positive economy and a future where people and nature can thrive together.